Welcome to Splunk Architecture 101. The course agenda and overview is as follows. We have 7 modules planned out for this course. We're bringing you into the concepts of Splunk architecting. So we'll cover everything related to what a Splunk architect does, roles and responsibilities surrounding that title. We'll cover how to plan a deployment. There's a lot of things to consider at the architect level. We'll cover all things related to indexers in a bit more in depth than what you've previously learned in your Splunk administration courses. We'll move into planning based on server roles. We'll have Mod 5 do an introduction to clustering concepts. We'll move into forwarder management and data ingest and talk about all the ways you can bring in data into Splunk and some additional features in Splunk development. And Module 7, we're going to wrap it up with some great tips and tricks from the Monitoring Console and learn how to leverage that tool to our advantage as we move forward with our architect career. The course setup is as follows. We have our modules laid out. We have a combination of lectures and demos. The demos are the opportunity for you to gain hands-on practice and experience with Splunk. And we also do our best to call out all resources available to you, reach out to us on Slack, provide great documentation for the concepts that we're covering, and additional notes for you to take throughout the course. So, Intro to Architecture. It's a great introduction course to start your path on becoming a Splunk certified architect.